Bring the action.
मेरे चेहरे से लगता है कि मैं ऐसा दिखता हो गया।
नहीं दिखते तो नहीं है बट टैलेंट अलग चीज होती है।
बड़ा वियर्ड टैलेंट होगा ये, जेल में डालने वाला टैलेंट होगा।
सस्पेंस के बारे में हम इतना बताई थी कि जहाँ पर तुम लोगों का सोच खत्म होता है ना, वहीं से राइटर का सोच शुरू हो जाएगा। ये हम प्रूफ कर देगा फिल्म देखिएगा तो।
Yeah, it does look like a place for skateboarding. Yeah, they've made it in such a way. Today the weather is pretty nice, sunny, windy, perfect for vlogging in areas like these. What are these? Like something to do with Maori tradition? Oh.
This place to me is like the perfect place to make a picnic. You know?
And also the film we went to, like as I was saying, right, I was interviewing some people. The film was shot entirely in Auckland, and all the important nail-biting scenes within the movie, like shooting and stuff like that, where you chase the villain and stuff like that, they shot all those scenes in Auckland urban rainforest, this area, and botanical garden. We think we just saw a rabbit or a hare or a cat, whatever, jumping around out here, some kind of a mammal. This place is really forested. Auckland urban rainforest. So right now we are at Auckland Domain. This is the park where football and cricket practices go on. This is the very same region where you have the museum, and behind the museum you have the urban rainforest. And today we are going to be interviewing a very famous personality out here. He's an actor from the movie Ajib Ittefaq, and he has played a very crucial role in that. His name is Shan Mishra, and he has played the role of James, who's like one of the protagonists in the movie. So today we are going to be interviewing him. So right now, currently we are waiting for him. Till then, let me just show you around. This is Auckland Domain. Hola, Kia ora, Sat Sri Akal, Namaste and Jai Siya Ram. This is Saptarshi from Traveler Renew Vacation Vibes YouTube channel, and today with us we have the character James from the movie Ajib Ittefaq, and this is going to be one of our last Ajib interviews edition. So the first one would be, we would like you to introduce yourself as to where you are from, how long have you been in New Zealand, how did you come to know about Nasser and this film industry, and what do you do before that, and like what kind of job do you do? मिक्स कर सकते बोल सकते हैं।
So मेरा नाम भूषण है, James तो मेरा कैरेक्टर नेम है, as you guys know. thing, sorry, question बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया था आपका. So how I got in the industry talk about?
Yes.
Okay. See, I have a इंडिया में थिएटर का बैकग्राउंड है मेरा थोड़ा. So I do, I mean, यहाँ पे मुझे थिएटर का इतना अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं मिल पाई. But back home in India, I did couple of years of theatre, street plays, और जहाँ से मेरा एक्टिंग में थोड़ा सा इंटरेस्ट हुआ.
अच्छा.
Work-wise, I work as a civil engineer here. At the moment, I work in Tarwa district, which is close to Palmerston North. So, kind of like it's juggling between passion and work, you know. Yeah, but unfortunately, जैसे यहाँ पे industry, it's not a full-fledged industry of entertainment. So you have to find some sources which feeds your, you know, bills and stuff. So yeah, and passion is something like nature, acting, all these things. That's how I got in this. Knowing Nasir, I met Nasir. There was a previous movie I did. It's called Unlimited Tamasha.
Yeah, we had seen you in that.
Yeah. So
मिर्ची के लिए हमें आवे के पड़े.
yes, so that movie Nasir was in that.
Okay.
And we did shoot in Fiji. Like there were 2 weeks we were there. So that's how we met first time. And since then we've been like, it's been like 8 years. We have been good friends, and so whenever any project comes, he comes to me and we sit down and we work together. And that's how this project came, and he approached me.
Like, how did you find him out? Like, was it a job place or?
To meeting Nasir.
Yeah, meeting Nasir.
Nasir, we because he came to do audition for the Unlimited Tamasha.
Oh, I see.
Yeah. And he's RJ, right? You know.
Yeah, he's RJ.
Yeah. So that's how I met him first time over there, and we became a good friend after that, working together.
Okay.
Since being a good friend, yeah.
So having worked for both Unlimited Tamasha as well as Ajeeb Ittifaq, where do you find the difference personally, and personally which one do you like more? And मतलब इन दोनों जगह पे आपने काम किया तो मतलब वो काम कैसे अलग था एक दूसरे से? थोड़ा क्रू सेम था, बाकी तो काफ़ी डिफरेंट था. दोनों में सी, I mean, it was very hard to both are my babies, so very difficult to say which one was the best one, which was the bad one. But see, Unlimited Tamasha we did 8 years back, and this one we after that. So I mean, you understand, आप mistakes से learn करते हो. बिल्कुल.
So that's what the difference I can say. But both had a different project. I mean, a different drama. One was a thriller, other was the comedy.
Right.
I mean, everyone likes comedy, so even I like comedy. So I enjoyed that one more as well. I was more traveling. This one was good because we had a really good team this time, Ajeeb Ittifaq, and we worked really well. I mean, together, and I mean, थोड़ा बहुत hiccups होते रहते हैं, ये late हो रहा है, ऐसा हो रहा है, problems हो रहा है, but we worked out, and we are more experienced as well from last movie, so we knew क्या problems आ सकती हैं, so we kind of bit prepared. So it was pretty much fun. So I mean, you can decide which one maybe. Yeah, you must have seen both movies. Yeah. So
having worked for both these movies, what do you think like were the challenges which the crew faced while shooting both these films, and मतलब लगभग budget कितना गया इन दोनों movies में?
See, as an actor, I won't be able to tell you exact budgets and all, but I can give you ideas like कि budget wise न्यूजीलैंड में स्पेशली हिंदी बैकग्राउंड की मूवीज़ में ज़्यादा बजट नहीं होता है. जो भी बजट है, लाइक द एक्सपेंसेस व्हाट वी अदरवाइज वी work just for the passion.
Right.
So there's no fee or any payment for us like guys like that.
Really?
Yeah, we don't work that way. That's why we have to work somewhere else to fund this one. Yeah, so it's not a big budget movies, we can say. I mean,
like you guys don't even earn from the theaters, like people.
Yeah, I mean, the producer is investing money, investing a lot actually.
Yeah.
So they do make some money through the sponsors for the tickets, but it's not a like heavy profitable business here because the audience is small, right? And project is small, so unless it's become international, more people involved, other countries involved, then audience is bigger. At the moment the audience is smaller, so the expenses, I mean, our budget also goes smaller. That's why you'll see lots of technical things we still not able to use it, which we wanted to use it because we know the budget will go very high and we won't be able to survive.
So now let's come to some of the interesting questions.
Okay.
Since you said that you are from Palmerston North,
जी.
and हमने वो मूवी में वो सीन भी देखा था जहाँ पे जेम्स की जो गाड़ी है, लाइक जो आपने उससे चुराई थी
Oh, हाँ,
बामर से नॉर्थ से।
नहीं वो
Right.
तुम आपको क्रेडिट कर दो, वो हैमिल्टन से चलाई गई थी।
हाँ, ओके, अच्छा। बट स्टिल, लाइक वाज इट योर कार इन एनी चांस, और लाइक सम,
Oh, you mean personally I own it?
Yeah.
No,
You
no,
own
no,
it,
no,
like,
no,
or
no.
some like crew member owns it. Like,
yes,
where do you-
I think जो हमारे प्रोड्यूसर नासिर,
Yeah.
उनके ही किसी one of their circles में he got it from them. Yeah.
ओके। और एक और चीज़ जो आपसे पूछनी थी, ये थोड़ा सा अजीब होगा, बट मूवीज में आपने यू हैव एग्जिबिटेड अ लॉट ऑफ पिक पॉकेटिंग स्किल्स। या तो वो आपको मतलब अलग से सीखनी पड़ी थी, या आपके अंदर टैलेंट है? विद इन दिस इंटरव्यू वी विल लाइक टू सी कि मतलब हमारे मतलब बाय द एंड ऑफ दिस इंटरव्यू सब कुछ रहता है या नहीं अपने पास। तो व्हाट डू यू वांट टू से अबाउट दैट?
आज आपको मेरे चेहरे से लगता है कि मैं ऐसा दिखता हूँ क्या?
नहीं, दिखते तो नहीं है, बट टैलेंट अलग चीज़ होती है।
बड़ा वियर्ड टैलेंट होगा ये, जेल में डालने वाला टैलेंट होगा। नहीं भाई, ऐसा कोई टैलेंट नहीं है। नहीं, I mean स्टोरी में था, what director says you have to do this, you have to do that,
Yeah.
ना तो हम लोग वो फॉलो कर लेते हैं। But yeah, I mean we see like no, especially nowadays like no, we see so many YouTube videos, so many कि कैसे you know all these incidents happens and people follow all those you know कि थोड़ा सा negativity वहाँ से pick कर लेते हैं, अच्छा इसने ऐसे किया होगा, इसका कैसा रिएक्शन रहा होगा इसका। तो I mean you know usually क्या होता है कि like ना जब हम लोग जब कैरेक्टर को डिसाइड करते हैं कि वी हैव टू एक्ट दिस सीन, तो हमें लाइक नो यूजली आपने सुना होगा, कई लोगों ने सुना होगा कि सीन में घुस जाते हैं लोग।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल।
सो इट्स काइंड ऑफ लाइक नो कि आई मीन पता नहीं, मुझे नहीं पता कि आई मीन कितना घुसना पड़ता है सीन में। बट आप आसपास जब देखते हो तो आप नोटिस करते हो चीज़ों को ना कि अच्छा ये ऐसे हुआ होगा, ये ऐसे होगा, ये ऐसे कर सकते हैं।
बिल्कुल।
अब उसमें बेस्ट इज द कैमरामैन एंड डायरेक्टर, दे आर द बेस्ट वन हु पिक अप दीस थिंग्स, है ना, कि क्या अच्छा लग रहा है। So I mean they decide, they give us ideas, अच्छा ये कर लो, then we put our ideas a little bit, and that's how it comes. I hope people like it. My skill.
Yeah. So जब आप इंडिया में थे, like back, you told me that you're from Varanasi.
जी.
So when you came from over there to here, like when you were in your school, college, did you still have this like interest and passion in theatre?
हाँ, आर्ट,
These kind of stuff.
जी हाँ, आर्ट ऐसी चीज़ है कि आपको अपनी तो खींचती है कैसे भी करो।
बिल्कुल।
थिएटर से मेरा थोड़ा ड्रॉप, बिकॉज दैट्स समथिंग विच आई ऑलवेज लाइक इट।
Yeah.
स्पेशली थोड़ा सा मैं I'll tell you, I was a little bit shy when I was at school. तो मुझे वो बड़ा मतलब कि एक इंटरेस्टिंग लगता था कि लोग खड़े होकर के चार लोगों के बीच में बात कर लेते हैं ना, एंड देन दे डांस कर देंगे, गाना गा देंगे और बात कर लेंगे, किसी से भी कहीं भी बात कर लेंगे। एंड लाइक कमिंग फ्रॉम लाइक नो द स्मॉल सिटी टाउन सिटी और मिडिल क्लास फैमिली से, थोड़ा सा हमारे लिए थोड़ा सा बड़ा अजीब होता है कि यार ये कैसे लोग कर लेते हैं ऐसा। सो और स्पेशली फिल्मों में देख कर तो लगता है कि यार ये चीज़ बड़ी अजीब है, ऐसा ये कुछ करना चाहिए। सो आई वॉज इंट्रोड्यूस्ड बाई वन ऑफ माई फ्रेंड थिएटर में, वो एक्चुअली थिएटर करता था, तो वो मुझे लेके गया, मैंने कहा मैं भी चलूँगा, एंड देन ही टुक मी एंड देन आई स्टार्टेड वाचिंग। सो व्हाइल वाचिंग देन दे सॉ मी like you know I'm helping backstage helping, so उन्होंने छोटा सा कैरेक्टर, थोड़ा सा just a guest रोल दिया, and then that's how I got hooked up and I started liking it. So I mean that was the first experience coming in front of the stage and I see like you know like 400-500 people are watching to you. So it gives like a bit of goosebump, like थोड़ा सा शिवर होता है कि यार कैसे मैं बोलूँगा, डायलॉग कैसे बोलूँगा। Luckily उसमें मेरा डायलॉग नहीं था, just छोटा सा डायलॉग था, बट उसने मुझे आइडिया भी दिया, मतलब उस दौरान लोगों से जब बातें करने लगे कैसे वो लोग एक्ट करते हैं, क्या करते हैं। सो उस समय आई गॉट आइडियाज़ कि कैसे आपका फियर आप दूर करो, हाँ, लोगों के बीच में जाके बात करना, कैसे फियर करो, कैसे आप अपने आप को लोगों के बीच में रहते हुए इंडिविजुअल कर लो अपने आप को ना। सो ऑल दीज आइडियाज़ केम इन एंड दैट्स हाउ वी I got in this theater and stuff like.
So will this movie be released in other countries like Fiji, India, Australia? And will it be dubbed in other languages?
I'm not. That's our producer will be able to say like which languages he wants to dub it. But yeah, Australia and Fiji is definitely in there at the moment. And then online platform is another one which they're planning it. So online platform आने का मतलब है this will be all over the world. will be available to watch.
Yeah. And also tell us a little bit about your upcoming projects. Like, are you involved in any upcoming movies or anything else?
there
Maybe a
is,
short film or
एक
theatre or
movies
something like that?
discussion चल रहा है. There's another. I mean, I shouldn't be talking too much about that because I'm not
no,
authorized
no,
yet.
no, I'm just-
That's authorized yet.
it's okay.
But एक और project की बात चल रही है, which will be start shooting soon actually.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah.
And within Auckland and New Zealand, do you have like theatres? It's theatres as in not movies, like acting theatres. Is it really a popular thing out here?
There is a couple of people are doing it.
Yeah.
I mean, I could tell you maybe later. And I think there's a group in West Auckland that do it. I'm forgetting the name actually, but there are I think 1 or 2 groups are there which is they're doing it. One of them I know they always keep putting on shows, and I've seen a couple of their plays and they're pretty good actually.
Oh,
Yeah.
I see.